I'm going to go over a reverse shoulder replacement case with you. And briefly, I'm just going to have Terry, one of my patients, share what his experience has been. We did a reverse shoulder replacement for him on the right side about a year ago.
Well, everything I did was from right here. Oh no, there was nothing here. I didn't have anything here. It was, if I did anything, it was just, I would put my arm in tight and use my bicep.
Okay.
Because I had no shoulder, there was nothing there.
Okay.
That's when I came to you and you said, oh, that's really bad. Everything was torn loose, had no rotator cuffs, hurt all the time, to the point I couldn't sleep. I was, really got to the point I was just sitting in a recliner all night trying to get comfortable enough to sleep because I was in constant pain. And that's when I came to you and you did the MRI and you suggested the reverse procedure. I just knew it didn't hurt anymore, which was great because the pain was gone. And then once I could use it again, it actually surprised me because I couldn't even drive really before the surgery because to shift gears, you have to use this arm. But the point is, it was great because there's no pain. I could lay on my shoulder. I couldn't even lay on my right side at night before the surgery because everything hurt so bad. You told me not to lift anything over 25 pounds, so I've reduced that. Of course, I got 6 grandkids, so that's a lot of, I probably lifted more than 25 pounds. Once I could get out of the sling and we started doing physical therapy, probably 3 to 4 weeks, I could pretty much do anything. I was driving, I could do anything I wanted to. I'm still conscious of it. When I go to the store and have bags of groceries, the lightest bag will go on this arm because I don't want to mess it up. But I can still lift anything I want to. I can lift grandbabies. I can do what I want to. Okay, before the surgery, I had no movement. I couldn't lift it. I would have been about this, and that would have been really gutting it out. Everything else I did, I just tucked it in and did everything with my bicep from right here. And
now show us what you can do.
Oh, I can do this. I can do anything. It actually feels better than this one. But no, it's great.